My name is Alex.
I'm Pristan.
Oh, I'm Diana.
Hi.
Yes, just go to one. Handbrake first. Okay. It's a nice car. It's your car?
No, it's my brother's car.
Nice. My name is Al Chan. I'll be a driving instructor for the day. Oh no.
Oh, yeah, slide. No. Release the clutch.
Oh.
It's fine, but it's fine. Yeah, we can do it.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Be careful. Be on this line. Be on this line. No. Don't go to this line. Just stay there.
Oh.
Okay.
We go to left. So I said left, not right. Hey, it's not raining.
Là đấy.
No way. I think you need to practice more.
Stop.
Wait. Okay, just be relaxed, okay? Okay, Nona. I think you need to go back to practice more.
You one more time. I try.